Hey everyone, Simply You Makeup here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I appreciate you, and my old-time subscribers, I appreciate you also. If you want to see what the video that I'm going to make is going to come out and look like, keep watching because I'm going to use this and this to create the look. Keep watching. I promise it's going to be good. Hope you can see this. I'm creating a mermaid look. This is just the beginning, so you can see. These are little tips and tricks you can learn to do that. And now I am going to do the eye look. today's look. This is my mermaid look. I created this look because a friend requested it. You know who you are. It's a shout out to you. Here is the mermaid look. Go out there, create something beautiful. We are all beautiful souls. Create. Never stop creating. It doesn't matter what it is that you like. Create something beautiful. This look was not planned. I got the request. I wake up this morning and I did it. This is it. I didn't choose the colors or say, okay, let me swatch this, that. No, I didn't. I just wake up and create something, and I would love you to do the same. Every time you get an opportunity, create something beautiful. Today's inspirational and encouraging word is new beginnings. New beginning. Never stop having new beginnings. Every time you start, it's a new beginning. Every day you wake up, it's a new beginning. Every night you go to bed, it's a new beginning. New beginnings are always happening. There is no end to anything. It is a new beginning. If you fail at something, it is not because you are dumb or all these excuses that we make about ourselves. It is because you are learning something and you are going to stumble along the way. And once you get it, you get it. It's a new beginning. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And to my friend, I hope you like this mermaid look. Bye.